10 days before the CAT, focus on strategy, revision, and practice to maximize your score. Here's a 10-day plan for aspiring 99 percentillers. Day 1 to 3, refine your strategy. Analyze mocks. Review recent mock tests to identify weak areas and question types that slow you down. Set a game plan. Decide your question selection strategy. Aim to prioritize accuracy over quantity. Time management. Set benchmarks for each section, e.g., complete RC passages in under 30 minutes. Day 4 to 7, intensive revision and practice. Quantitative aptitude. Focus on core topics like arithmetic, algebra, geometry, and number systems. Revise formulas, shortcuts, and practice high-weightage topics. Verbal ability and reading comprehension, VARC. Practice comprehension passages daily. Focus on inference questions and summarize each passage to solidify understanding. Data interpretation and logical reasoning, DILR. Solve 2 to 3 sets daily. Focus on improving speed for familiar question types and avoiding pitfalls in complex puzzles. Revise key concepts. Spend an hour daily revisiting tricky concepts or topics you're not fully confident in. Day 8 and 9. Simulate exam conditions. Full-length mock tests. Take at least 1 or 2 full-length mocks in real exam conditions. Evaluate and adjust. After each mock, assess which sections still need work and adjust your strategy accordingly. Stamina and focus. These final mock tests help build endurance and concentration. Day 10. Light review and rest. Last-minute revision. Go through essential formulas, concepts, and any notes you've made. Avoid new topics. Stick with what you know and avoid learning any new concepts. Stay relaxed. Ensure you get a good night's sleep and keep a calm mindset. Key tips for the final push. Focus on accuracy. Avoid silly mistakes and be selective in choosing questions. Prioritize mental stamina. Maintain your focus for the full 2 hours of each section. Stay positive. Confidence plays a huge role in performance. Trust in your preparation and stay calm. Best of luck. You're almost there. Stay focused and give it your best.